We are at Baramati's Vidya Pratishthan and we are here for the last rites of Ajit Pawar. Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar was laid to rest right here behind me at Baramati Vidya Pratishthan amid full state honors in the presence of the family members and several dignitaries from across the country, including Union Home Minister Amit Shah, BJP's National President Nitin Nabin, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, and several other ministers from different parts of India. Here, after the last rites, we are seeing that the crowds have become emotional. Several people have started marching towards the pyre which is burning behind us, sloganeering, asking their favorite leader to come back, giving slogans for him. These are the visuals. Seeing that there is constant announcement from the public announcement system appealing to people to maintain discipline and peace. It seems like thousands of people have gathered here on the open ground of Vidya Pratishthan. Several men, young boys are a part of this crowd who have come to pay their last respects for Ajit Pawar.
12 गेटवर रेलू नका.
Several
12
dignitaries
गेट्सवर रेलू नका.
are also offering their condolences
या पोलीस अधिकाऱ्यांना सहकार्य
during
करा.
this moment.
गेल्या 30 तासांपेक्षा जास्त काळ हे पोलीस
Were held
अधिकारी
in full
सतत आपल्या
state
सेवेसाठी समोर आहेत.
right here.
त्यांना प्लीज सहकार्य करा.
People try to throw
12 गेट रेलू
petals
नका.
here on
आपल्या
the
भावनांचा
of
आदर आम्ही
Ajit
करतोय.
Pawar.
आपल्या भावनांची कदर आम्ही करतोय. आपल्या सगळ्यांच्या भावना एकच
Both
आहेत.
Jai Pawar and Parth Pawar
या ठिकाणी
fold their hands in front of the
आपल्या
crowd
लाडक्या दादांना
appealing to
अखेरचा
them
निरोप
to
दिल्यानंतर
stay silent.
पवार कुटुंबीय आपल्याला अभिवादन करतात.
Pray to people,
पवार
thank them,
कुटुंबियांच्या
express their
आदरणीय
gratitude
दादांच्या
for
प्रेमापोटी
turning up
संबंध महाराष्ट्र आणि
for the last
महाराष्ट्राच्या
rites of
बाहेरून
Ajit
आपण
Pawar.
आलेला आहात.
The family members start going
स्वतःच्या
by now
मागच्या बाजूला
after
जे
the
गेट
last
आहे
rites.
तिथून हळूहळू बाहेर पडा.